Well guys, as you can see, we are on to our next topic, and this topic is going to be on brand registry and its benefits. So what brand registry actually is, it's creating a brand for your products, guys. It's as simple as that. And the benefits that you will get when you sign up with this Amazon brand registry program is you will get additional protection on your product, and it will help you protect your intellectual property, guys. As you can see, I've set an example for you here. As you know, Amazon Basics is own brand of Amazon, and what happens is when you are not registered with Amazon brand registry, what we will get is we will only get to put images on our listing, guys. As you can see, we will be only able to put images on our product listing. But what happens when you register with Amazon brand registry is we will get additional benefits like adding a product video to our listing. So like this one, as you can see. So video like this will definitely help get us more sales on our product. As you can see,
please be advised that the following
this type of video can be added when you register with Amazon brand registry, guys. And the benefits that you get rather than this are: you can add product photos or videos on your product description or on the from manufacturer tab down below. As you can see, you can add images like this, or you can add a video of the product here. But if you are not registered with Amazon brand registry, you will not get this type of benefits. And the most important thing the benefit that you will get is, as we click on the storefront, if someone clicks on our storefront, if you are not registered with brand registry, then what happens is they won't be able to those customers won't be able to see our product like in this format. But if you are registered with Amazon brand registry, then you can literally create a brand for your products. And this type of storefront literally catches customers' eyes, guys. As you can see, you can also create your own brand like this, guys. As you can see, as I've set an example for you, this literally seems too good when you register with Amazon brand registry. So let's see what are the requirements to be eligible for this Amazon brand registry. So guys, if you want to get registered with Amazon brand registry, then you must have trademark your brand name, guys. The first thing you have to do is you have to trademark your brand name. So as you can see, review eligibility requirements. Brand must have a registered and active watermark or image-based trademark. This trademark must also appear on your products or packaging, guys. So from where you can get your trademark is you have to go to USPTO. So as you come to USPTO website, you have to click on the website link, and you can see from here this trademark tab, you can literally file your trademark, your brand name. And after you file the trademark, you can search the status of your trademark, and after all the things happens and you are approved to get your trademark, what you can do is you can come here to Amazon brand registry. Then you have to come to Amazon Seller Central account, or you can directly go from this link, this Amazon brand registry link, and after you finally get log into your Seller Central account, you can enroll your brand, guys, and they will verify your account and approve in around 2 to 3 working days, guys. Then you will be able to get those Amazon brand registry benefits, guys. And one thing I want to let you guys know is, guys, this Amazon brand registry isn't necessary if you are just starting out selling on Amazon, guys. You can literally join this program when you start to sell around 10 different products, whether it's in a broad niche or a specific niche, guys. So hope you guys got idea on how you can create a brand for yourself through Amazon brand registry, and how you can get a trademark for your brand, guys. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.